All right.
Northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Evansville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud.
Nice.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations affected include Fulton, Indianford, Edgerton, Cooksville, Albion, Utica, Evansville, and Stoughton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:50 p.m.